So I'm out sailing again after a break of 2 weeks, just over 2 weeks, and it's beautiful weather, sunshine. I'm sailing around 12-14 knots of wind, and it's really beautiful to sail again. I missed it. Temperature is around 15 plus degrees, so it's not that cold anymore in Denmark. Yeah, the boat went up. I had to take it up, and after a year in the water, also in the winter, I always do this in springtime, taking it up. So everything went good. I had to remove the backstays, the 2 backstays. I had to remove them because I was taking the boat up with the mast on. So in order for the crane to lift it, I had to remove the backstays. And then I also had to remove the topping lift that's holding the boom in place. And the boat came up, everything went fine. So I cleaned the bottom, I sprayed it with the high pressure water. And after I've done this, then I polished the top sides, cleaned the top sides and then polished them. That went good, of course, a little hard work, but it's nice to work on the boat. I enjoy working on the boat because I love my boat. And you get to know your boat more close also. You see all the small damages or things that maybe you need to fix now or later on. The propeller doesn't look bad actually. I have sprayed it with high pressure water Friday, and now I'm just gonna brush it off with a steel brush, so it will be fine. And then I have to mount the axle zinc anode here. Yeah, and then I painted the red water line, which I painted 2 years ago. So I just gave it a fresh paint. In the meantime, me and a good friend, we decided to plant some vegetables. And the supervisor is keeping an eye on us. All of a sudden I decided also to change the line on the top sides, The original line that came, the tape that the boat came with is I believe it's a gold one, gold color. So I removed the old one. It took me a long time to remove it. And then I put a red one, and actually I really like the red one. So after doing that, the boat was ready to come in the water again. So today is Wednesday. Steps is going in the water on coming Friday in 2 days, and is ready. She's ready. The only thing that I would like to do is give some oil, TIG oil, all the woodwork on the deck and in the cockpit. But I can do this when Stepsy goes in the water. And also I need to do a service for the engine. So, but all in all, great. So today is the day. Steps is going in the water. I'm on my way to the harbor. Steps is ready. I just have to prepare some small things before the crane comes and lifts her up and put her in the water. I'm looking forward. Yeah! And then I had to add the backstays again and prepare the boat, small things. So I went out sailing for a short trip yesterday with a couple of friends. Today I came out, I'm all alone. I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, it's around 12-14 knots of wind. I have the waves coming from the side now. The wind is supposed to increase soon, maybe around 15-16 knots, and it's gonna change direction. Right now it's coming from southeast. It's gonna change direction coming from south. So I'm enjoying sailing out here. I have to say 2 weeks with a boat on the heart, no sailing. It was too long. I missed to sail. It's so beautiful out sailing again. So Stepsy is in the water now. So now she's ready for new adventures, and I'm looking forward. See you.